Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob Reese here, helping you succeed. Thank you so much for viewing this video on Social Traffic Revolution by Kenny Cannon and Saul Maraney. These guys, yet again, have come together to put out an incredible information product on how you can start making tons of cash online. But this is no traditional make money online course. This has nothing to do with info products and everything to do with physical products that you can buy online. Now, the reason why I love this so much is it takes an e-commerce approach with an affiliate marketing twist behind it, okay? And guess what? You're going to be able to give away high in-demand products for free in order to get tons of leads and tons of sales. And that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So what Social Traffic Revolution is all about is finding a product that is in hot demand at the moment, giving it away for free to an audience that is already established so you don't have to do any homework, and being able to sell products to them over and over again. Now, the key behind this all is the fact that it's a physical product, something that you actually mail out to them, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly what this is all about in just a second. But imagine being able to go ahead and find a hot topic, which they're going to talk to you about, a hot niche, not in the make money online niche, but really anything that you guys can think about, okay? It could be Fortnite. It could be cool gadgets that are out there. It could be something on fishing. It could be on dog training. It could be on fad diets and health drinks or supplements or whatever it is. And imagine being able to find a community that has got tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions, already established, and being able to provide a product that is related to what they're interested in and being able to give it away for free. How many people do you think would be excited about receiving a product 100% free, no shipping and handling to the customer or anything? How many people do you think would be interested in that, okay? And guess what? You're not going to have to spend an arm and a leg to get these products to them, okay? So for this example on this video, I'm just giving you a breakdown of what that would look like. So right now, I know that Fortnite is huge. Video gamers are big. PC gamers is growing exponentially all the time. And imagine I can come to Amazon and find a product that is related to, let's say, Fortnite. Okay, they've got so many different communities online. And imagine I can go ahead and pick up something that is $15, a Monopoly game, something that could be considered even a collector's item down the road. I can pick this up and deliver it free of charge to an audience that is already established. Now, what I did was I simply typed in something that I knew that was popular, that I knew about already because I have experience with it. And imagine if I find a Facebook page that is established, that I didn't have to grow myself, that somebody did all the work for me. And look at this, 58,000 people. Imagine that I can deliver a free Fortnite physical product to Fortnite addicts. Do you think they would opt in to receive a free game? And guess what? You're not tricking anybody. You are actually delivering in a game to these people, or whatever it is. It doesn't really matter what niche you're going to be talking about. But being able to deliver something absolutely free of charge to people who absolutely want what you have to give away, imagine how many people would absolutely opt in. Imagine you're going to be building your list, you're going to be selling products, and he's going to show you exactly what to do in Social Traffic Revolution. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you inside the members area. The sales page isn't quite ready yet, but it will be available when you click the link in the description box below. Okay, now this is what it looks like inside of the members area. As always, Kenny Cannon puts together incredible memberships sites. These things are always going to be the same for you. You're going to be met with an intro video. The intro video is just going to walk you through on how to access all the things that you just purchased. It's going to show you where to get it behind Warrior Plus, and it's also going to give you a breakdown of the entire system in a little 20-minute video that he put for you inside of this intro. So first and foremost, what he's going to go through with you is niche selection, okay? And this is not going to be in the make money online niche. If it is, you're going to be dealing with physical products. He's going to show you exactly how to find what is valuable for people and how to find something that people actually care about in the very first video. The second video, he's going to be talking about how exactly you're going to be giving away a free item that people are going to get shipped to them, and how exactly you're going to get these people to opt in like insane crazy amounts, because he's going to show you exactly how to take a physical product, find the niche or find the audience that is wanting that particular product, and getting them in front of the item for free. He's going to go through the traditional breakdown of a opt-in page along with the giveaway page, because you are giving away this product for free. Now there are some affiliate links within the membership site here. ClickFunnels is what he uses, and he provides you the funnel if you sign up through the link for a free ClickFunnels account. If you have a page builder already, you don't have to worry about picking that up, but that is something that is going to be available for you. Now, how exactly is he going to be showing you how to collect these leads? Well, it's going to be through Facebook ads, okay? He's going to show you exactly how to target specific communities that are going to allow you to give this product for free, that already you know ahead of time they want the product that you're going to be giving away. And he's going to go through some of the basics of creating your ad, making sure that you know how to become profitable using Facebook ads, how to promote to this special list, because it's not a typical make money online list. This is going to be the ability for you to manage that list, how often you should promote, what do you send them in the interim of promoting items, so on and so forth. I mean, this thing goes into deep detail without skipping a beat. And as always, Kenny Cannon delivers. And of course, you're going to get some bonuses in here as well. When you go ahead and click that link below, you're going to get 30 minutes of free coaching with me as a bonus. All you have to do is go ahead and email the email address that is found in your bonus area with your receipt, and we're going to go ahead and get on a free Skype call. No big pitches, none of that stuff, just pure value delivered to you in whatever you're looking to improve on on your online business. So go ahead and click the link below, pick up your copy of Social Traffic Revolution right now, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot, guys.